Sa pumili ng balance card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit gusto mag-reach out ng inyong tao sa inyo. I'm sensing manatiling mahinahon. Okay. Oops. Lumabas itong dalawa. Okay. Maybe this is a strong message. I will just skip this one. So, I'm sensing na pinagsasamantalahan nila yung inyong kabutihan. Kasi I feel mabuting asal is what I sense here. I'm also sensing that maybe some of you, kayo ay mahinhin, mahinahon, kalmado, okay? Maybe that is your current energy. At so far, na-sense ko rin yung sakit na throat. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, na-sense na mabait kang tao. And I also sense that some of you, you're being backed by evil spirit. Kasi parang pinipilit ka nila na hindi maging mabuti or parang nililito ka nila ng landas. Yun ang nasa-sense ko. So mag-ingat ka kasi I'm sensing na parang lapitin ka nun. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit. To be honest, kung ba't ka na-atake ng mga evil spirits. I feel like it's more on spiritual attacks. Honestly speaking. Bali, walang mali sa'yo, to be honest. It could be just na yung mga evil spirit na yan, parang pinipilit ka nila maging masama. Para maging katulad ng mga masasamang tao. So, just stay focused on the teachings of the Lord para hindi ka mawala sa tamang landas, okay? At gawin mo yung tama. So anyway, I'm sensing good news, to be honest with you. Maybe this person do want to reunite with you, to be honest, kasi I feel like you are definitely a good news in their life. But I'm not quite sure, guys, if this person is a good news for you, to be honest. And I'm sensing with a beautiful being here. Siguro they miss yung good times that you do have or beautiful memories that you used to have with this person. I don't feel like this is necessarily about, let's say, good looks. I feel like it's more on the vibe na, pinakita mo sa kanila. Kasi I feel like nangingibabaw sa inyong energy and reading yung ugali mo ng pagiging mabuti. Okay? And anyway, that's why they want to be reunited with you or stay connected with you. At yung isa rin dahilan ba't gusto nila mag-approach sa'yo dahil gusto nila mag-apologize sa mga nagawa nilang kalokohan dati. Nalungkot ako dito kasi we do have the gift here. Maybe you're somebody that's definitely abundant. I feel like wealthy energy or maybe you have something to offer them. Yung parang bang magagamit ka nila. Parang gusto lang nila mag-approach, mag-apologize so that they can still, witness or take advantage of those gifts that you will offer them. So you have to be careful about it, okay? We also have this one. So, yun nga, siguro ito yung gusto nila mangyari na you are giving towards them. Nalungkot ako dito kasi nakita natin ito parang more on money issues with regards to this person. Siguro ito yung habol nila kaya gusto nila magkabalikan kayo kasi maybe they do have issues with regards to money. And I think that you let go of whomever this individual is because you are definitely aware that they are users. Honestly, siguro yung I'm sensing na mabait kay tao, yun ang nafe-feel ko. Parang gusto nilang abusuhin yung inyong kabutihan, okay? And I feel like they do have good memories with you. But on your behalf, on your perspective, hindi sila good news sa iyong buhay. Actually, iba sa inyo ay natatakot na maulit yung kamalasan kasi I feel like while you are dealing with them, marami ka na pagdaanan. I feel na sinisiraan ka rin, yung nafe-feel ko. At maraming kamalasan na nangyari sa'yo at hindi mo alam kung bakit. Siguro ito rin yung napapansin mo that while you're dealing with them, you're actually dealing with evil spirits na rin. Kasi maybe whomever this is, they attract a lot of negativity and toxicity na rin. At siguro sila rin, they are being manipulated by evil spirits kasi I don't feel like they are a good person, honestly. I feel like they are manggagamit. Yun ang nafe-feel kong vibe dito. We also have the Lost being here. So, ibig sabihin na nun, kung sino man sila, parang hindi sila nasa tamang landas with regards sa spirituality. And I feel like in the past, you used to kinda like direct them towards the right direction. Pero hindi sila nagbago. Parang ganun pa rin sila. Ligaw na tao. Honestly. And yun nga, marami ka na pagdaanan with them. I feel like for some of you, there could be a potential na dahil nga masama-sama silang tao, marahil kaya maraming kamalasan din na dumati sa kanilang buhay at nadadamay ka kasi naging parte ka ng kanilang buhay. Okay? Before, not today. Okay? So, yun nga, napanggit ko sa inyo kanina yung about sa good news na ito. Honestly, mag-ingat kayo kasi kung sino man ang tao na to, siya ay mapagbalat kayo. I feel na makasarili, hindi na nafe-feel ko. Parang intention lang nila is parang kumuha sa'yo kasi with the good news being here, parang nagdudulot ka ng good news, honestly speaking. And yeah, they are definitely aware that you are somebody that is actually enlightened. Or parang ikaw yung tagadala sa kanila sa tamang landas. Pero nalulungkot ako kasi hindi sila nagbagong buhay. Parang ganun pa rin sila. Siguro with the mask being here, parang nagpapanggap sila that they change. But honestly, they not. They didn't change. Okay? So, ito yung iyong vibe. Ito yung dahilan din kung bakit sila nag-reach out kasi they are thinking like kung naging parte ka ng kanilang buhay, maging balance muli ang kanilang buhay. I don't feel na yung intention nila ay mahalin ka or so forth. I feel like it's more likely I also sense greediness. It's more likely na gusto nila na ikaw yung bigay ng bigay sa kanila. I feel like whomever this person is, marami siyang red flag. At siguro na umpisa pa lang parang hindi mo talaga ito kasundo or parang pinipilit kayong paglayuin ng Panginoon. And I'm also sense anger energy. I'm not quite sure why, but let's see. Maybe kasi nangyari dito, parang nalulungkot din siguro yung Panginoon kasi kung sino man ito, hindi siya nagbagong buhay at meron siyang evil intention with regards to you. Kaya yun nga, wala sumakit yung throat ko. Kaya yun nga, nangyari dito ay iniiwas ka ng Panginoon sa kanya. So, yung sign ng pagiging masakit yung throat ko kanina, ibig sabihin nun, parang pinipigilan ng Diyos, kumbaga, na makipag-usap sila sa iyo. Kasi, first of all, whoever this person is, I feel like they are definitely liars. Kasi, yun nga, may maskara dito. At yun nga, mag-ingat ka talaga. And be careful kasi greedy itong tao na to. Baka manghingi yan ng pera sa'yo. Magpanggap na kailangan niya ng tulong. But in reality, hindi naman niya need ng help. So be careful with those people, okay? Ang sense, hindi nagbabayad ng utang. Oh dear, that is sad. Anyway, we have this one. So, I feel like before, you're definitely enlightened, to be honest, until now. And I feel like before, you used to be with this person at parang ginaguide mo siya towards sa tamang landas. Sana, honestly. Pero nalulungkot ako kasi ito ay nakabaliktad. Dapat nakaganito siya eh. Okay, pero lumabas siya na nakabaliktad. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na hindi niya sinunod kung ano man ang tinuro mo sa kanya. Or ganun pa rin yung kanyang pag-uugali. Walang pagbabago. We also have the light in reverse. This is sad. Talagang opposite kayo, guys. Kasi yung vibe mo dito ay ganito. Sana yung card na yun. Ito. Kabaliktaran mo siya. Siguro ito yung someone na nagdidim ng light. Talaga marami ka na pagdaanan with him or her. We also have the Phoenix here. So, you are someone who definitely changed. Kung dati ay, nagagawa ka nilang gamit-gamitin. Nagagawa nila yung gusto nilang gawin sa'yo. But yet you change. I feel like you're not the type of person now na gusto mong magpaapi sa kanila or gusto mong magstay sa kanila. Kasi first of all, may takot ka na maulit yung mga napagdaanan mo before. Okay, which is sad. We also have this one in reverse, and this is actually good kasi you learned your lessons at hindi ka napapayag na kunin nila yung iyong treasure, honestly, and I feel na ayaw mo na mag-deal ng mga tao na manggagamit, kaya umiiwas ka rin sa kanila, honestly. We also have that T in either way, so ito yung na-sense ko kanina with regards to this one, that I have a feeling na parang naglabas sila ng parang mga chismis about you. Like, they are backstabbing you at sumakit yung throat ko about it. Kasi, to be honest, whomever they have blockages with regards to their throat. Kasi baka ginagamit nila yung boses nila sa mali, or maybe they are people that spread gossips and lies. Actually, pinipigilan sila ng Panginoon, kaya siya nakain either way. Kasi ayaw ng Panginoon na magkalat sila ng chismis about you. So, we got the greatest blessing. Kasi nakalagay, one of the greatest blessings. So, you are definitely a blessing in your life, honestly. Ito yung na-sense ko with regards to this card na you are definitely a good news in your life. Pero you're not seeing them in that way. So, definitely na kaya sila gustong bumalik sa inyong buhay, or they wanna reach out to you because they see you as a blessing, honestly speaking. And some of them, they could be single. That's also the reason why they wanna reach out, or they could be feeling alone. Can be, wala silang tunay na kaibigan, and you could be someone that is really a good friend. And we have this one in reverse. I feel na hindi na dapat kayong magbalikan kasi if ever hindi maging kalmado yung iyong buhay, parang I feel sadness. Honestly speaking, parang ayaw mo na, yun ang nafe-feel ko. So, hugs everyone. So, at least you are aware kung ano yung parang motibo ba ng taong ito about gusto niyang bumalik sa inyong buhay or why they wanna reach out to you. I really feel strongly yung vibe na manggagamit. I'm sensing naguguluhan sila. Okay, nalulungkot ako kasi na-feel ko rin, guys, ako sino man siya. Yung iba sa kanila ay member ng masamang grupo. I feel like don't get fooled. I'm sensing that. Okay. Okay, na-sense ko yung, siguro ito yung iniisip niya na honesty is a worst word. Yun na nafe-feel ko. Siguro yun yung kanyang perspective, kaya madalas siya nagsisinungaling, or this person is definitely authentic kasi nakita natin ito. So anyway, I don't know why, but I again sense the word good news. We also have it here, okay? So anyway, yun nga, napansin ko yung vibe na naguguluhan. So maybe this is their vibe na parang bang wala sila sa sarili, or I feel na parang sa tamang pag-iisip na rin. That's the reason why kung bakit naging parte sila ng iyong buhay in the past. Maybe you're the one that's guiding them towards the right direction. Okay, I feel na yung message for today kinda like is a message for them. Honestly, yung mensahe ng Panginoon, na parang, sinabi ng Panginoon doon, nauulit yung mga kamalasan dahil, ganun na mangyari kapag hindi sila nagbago. So, I feel like that message resonated with them. Sumakit yung throat ko, okay? Again, siguro ito yung tipong tao na parang pinipigilan talaga ng Diyos sa magsalita. Wala silang magandang sasabihin, okay? So anyway, kaya gusto nila mag-reach out kasi I feel na maganda yung memory na pinakita mo sa kanila, but yet on your behalf, nakabaliktad kasi ito, parang ayaw mo nang balikan yung nakaraan. Kasi first of all, hindi naging maganda yung experience mo with them. I feel like, they're the one that have a good memories with you, pero ito yung nakabaliktad, ibig sabihin na nun, on your perspective, nung naging kayo or nung friend nyo pa siya or so forth, kamalasan yung nangyari sa inyong buhay. Parang yun nga, napapansin mo rin, parang pilit kayong pinaglalayo ng Panginoon. Kasi first of all, I feel like whomever they are, hindi pa talaga sila nagbago. And they are definitely wanting to reach out, and because they're passionate about you, about again receiving your gifts, your blessings, which is sad. So, with the Page of Cups, they could be wanting, to kinda like, parang mag-encourage sa'yo na bumalik ka sa kanilang buhay. But, based on your reading, I will not suggest you na bumalik kasi ganun pa rin yung kanilang ugali. And if ever they are showing you some signs na nagbago na sila, wag kang mahiniwala, guys, kasi based on your reading, they're still wearing that mask or nagpapanggap lang sila mabuti, and they're still the same, that gagamitin ka lang nila sa kanilang benefit, okay? So, I feel sadness here, honestly speaking, kasi I feel that could be your vibe whenever you remember whomever this is. I feel na sinisiraan ka talaga nila. Yun yung na-feel ko, guys, na vibe. So, wag na lang kayong bumalik, okay? Kasi, if ever you are close to them, syempre nalaman din nila yung iyong buhay at kung ano nangyari sa'yo. At baka ikalat nila yung chismis kung ano man yan. So rather, be silent and not talk to them anymore. Yun yung mapapayo ko, guys. So anyway, to make the story short, kaya gusto nila mag-reach out kasi gusto kanila muling gamitin. Okay, so anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless every one of you. Sa pumili na winter card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit gusto mag-reach out sa'yo ng inyong tao. I'm sensing naguguluhan, pero na-sense ko rin yung toxic vibe. I feel like for some of you, may kinalaman siya dun sa number 1, which is balance card. View that kung na-felt wrong din kayo doon, kasi parang feeling ko same sila ng vibe. But I'm not quite sure with regards sa story kung pareho din. I'm sensing like whomever this is, madalas silang minamalas. At I feel na on the past, minaltrato kanila. At parang tinuring kanilang kaaway, yun yung nafe-feel ko. Ang heavy sa mata, honestly speaking. Kung sino man sila, siguro sila yung tao na parang nagpaluha sa'yo before dahil sa kanilang pambubuli. And I'm sensing ahas sa paligid, okay? So far with I'm not quite sure kung konektado siya sa 1. Really depends if you felt drawn to it, kasi para magkaiba rin sila kasi ng storya. I feel like this is more likely about bullying. Maybe ka-vibe nila yung tao dun sa balance, okay? But not necessarily na ganun yung ginawa nila sa'yo, but yet it depends on your situation. Just remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, alright? Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I really feel strongly yung word na naguguluhan. I'm sensing na pinapahirapan ka nila. Kaya ka naguguluhan, yun yung nafe-feel ko. Okay, this is actually sad kasi I feel strongly na pinatrabaho ka nila. Meaning, they could have paid someone to curse you or maybe sila mismo yung nag-curse sa'yo before. Kaya siguro yung mind mo parang naguguluhan or parang di ka makapag-isip na mabuti nung time that you're dealing with them. I have a feeling na yun nga nilayuan mo sila, maybe you got aware that they are like this, okay? Siguro mas bumuti yung iyong buhay nung time na naalis ka sa kanila. Na-sense ko that whomever they are, they definitely curse. Mag-ingat ka kasi yun nga, ito siguro yung ginawa nila sa'yo before na nagpanggap sila. Siguro nagpanggap sila na parang, you know, dinedeserve ka nila or parang masaya sila para sa'yo or so forth or nagpapanggap siguro sila na friend mo pero yun pala, kinukurs ka behind the scenes or may ginagawa silang kalokohan. And while you're dealing with them, you are definitely in this way na stagnant. So, I have a feeling na kaya gusto nilang bumalik sa iyong buhay kasi they still want to keep you stuck. As you can see here. So, with a sensitive being here, so I have a feeling na parang gusto ka nilang bulihin ng bulihin. Maybe they are aware that you're someone na sensitive or madali kang parang magtampo, parang ganun kumbaga. And when you are depressed, you have a potential na maging stagnant or hindi ka mag-work dahil sa deep yung iyong nararamdaman. You know, I feel na parang trip nilang asarin ka. Yun yung nafe-feel ko na vibe, okay? So, they could be doing this kasi you are somebody who do have this voice or maybe you have a work na related sa pagsasalita or speaking of truth is what I sense. So that's why they kinda like curse you or maybe some of them, they could be trying to frighten you to stop you from speaking. Yun yung nafe-feel ko. Parang yun nga, mga bully sila or para matakot ka on doing the right thing. Honestly. So anyway, with regards to this one, so far, siguro yung memory, you used to actually provide for them, or kaya pala medyo same vibe with regards sa one, kasi yung balance is more on, you know, manggagamit yung tao. So maybe on some point, whomever they are, ginamit ka nila, and when you are gone, nalungkot sila, parang parte ka na lang ng memory, kasi they are realizing na mabuti naman yung ginawa mo sa kanila at hindi ka nambubuli, honestly. Parang napapansin nila while you are absent, parang na-realize nila yung kabutihan mo or yung parang bang, yun no, pinakalob mo sa kanila despite of them doing bad things. So anyway, yung good news dito is that natuto ka na rin. Maybe you realize na hindi lahat ng tao ay mabuti. Na-realize mo na may mga tao talaga na masasama at bully. And I don't see na you are accepting them back. Maybe that's why you are here. You could be someone na parang titignan mo without hoping. You're titignan mo muna kung itong tao na to ba may ganda yung kanyang intention. Okay? So, for with regards sa yung reading, parang I cannot trust this individual kasi first of all, yung kanilang vibe ay hindi maganda at hindi lang yun, nagka-curse sila or kung hindi man sila yung nagka-curse, may binabayaran silang tao para mag-curse ng tao. That is actually not a good sign. So, tama yung ginawa mong desisyon na dapat iwasan mo sila kasi sa ngayon, kalmado yung iyong buhay at huwag mo nang hayaan na i-destroy nila yung iyong peace. Okay, kasi maybe they're approaching you with a hope card being here. Parang gusto nila sabihin sa'yo na nagbago na sila and there is hope na magbago sila. Pero let's see if they change, honestly speaking. So, yun nga, gusto nila mag-apologize sa'yo, kaya gusto nila mag-reach out. And with the treasure, so, parang ka-vibe din siya ng one. Maybe some of you, this person is using you for money. Honestly speaking, or parang may gusto silang makuhan treasure with regards to you. Maybe there's somebody who steal your energy or your vibe, so be careful about it kasi kung sino man ito, talaga nagka-curse siya and you cannot trust this individual, honestly speaking. So, yun nga, introvert. So, siguro ito yung vibe mo sa ngayon na iniiwasan mo siya at hindi ka talaga nakikipag-usap on what's happening to your life. And as you can see, meron pa rin silang deceitful vibe that they have. Baka yung dahil lang ba't gusto nila mag-reach out kasi gusto nila malaman kung ano nangyari sa iyong buhay para kung ano man yun gusto nilang i-curse or whatsoever. Kasi kung sino man sila, yun nga, bully sila. And you must learn your lesson on not to deal with them. And ito siguro yung nangyayari na pinipilit nila maging parte ng iyong buhay, kinukulukan nila, you know, they try to get your attention and so forth. Kasi, nakakalungkot kasi magkarugtong ito. So, pansinin natin yung image rather than yung words mismo. So, I'm sensing na yun nga, yung balak nilang gawin dito, once they reach out to you, gusto nilang malaman kung ano nangyari sa iyong buhay so that they can manifest bad things to happen in your life, especially on your love life, na gusto nilang magkaroon ng third party and so forth. So, yung lesson learn mo dito is, wag kang magpapasok ng Trojan horse sa inyong buhay. You have to be cautious kasi may mga taong salbahe na gusto nilang pumasok sa iyong buhay to curse you, to do bad things to you, and so on. And with the winter card being here, ibig sabihin lang nun na kaya gusto nila mag-reach out kasi gusto nila maging ganito yung iyong buhay na makaranas ka ng coldness para natutuwa sila kapag nakikita ka nilang nalulungkot, ano, tumitigil sa work, tuwing nasasaktan ka, and so on. You know, and lesson learned is that you need to avoid them. Kasi remember na hindi naman lahat ng tao ay nagbabago. So based sa iyong reading, hindi pa rin sila nagbago. Kasi yung intention nila to reach out to you is again to destroy your life. I feel like for some of them to destroy your career, honestly speaking. Kasi nga gusto kanilang tumigil mag-work. To be honest. Kaya yun nga, gusto nilang may mangyari hindi maganda sa'yo para mawalan ka ng gana magtrabaho. So we have this one. So tinatarget nila ay ang iyong mind. Mostly, para hindi ka mag-concentrate sa iyong trabaho. So, you also have the Phoenix in either way. So, ito yung tao na parang 50-50 kung magbabago or hindi. So far, hindi pa siya nagbago based sa inyong reading. So, mind as well, continuously avoid whomever they are. So, we also have really feel strongly karmic vibe. And we have this one, create your own happiness. This is in either way. So, isa sa dahilan ba't gusto nilang mag-approach sa'yo kasi gusto nilang malaman kung ano yung nagpapaligaya sa'yo at aalisin nila yun sa iyong buhay. Yun yung kanilang gustong mangyari. Naguluhin yung iyong buhay at maging malungkot ang buhay mo. Which is sad, okay? Talaga masama itong tao na to. See? 2 beses na pakita si Cold. Hindi lang dito, pati ito. So, whomever they are definitely cold-hearted at gusto ka nila makaranas ng coldness or maranasan mo yung kasamaan ng mundo. Yun yung nafe-feel ko. So, we have the you are my sunshine. So, maybe approach nila dito ay parang, parang sinusuyo ka nila. Parang siguro ginagawa nila na try ka nilang i-praise sa mga ginagawa mo. But yet, behind the scenes, parang ginagawa nila ito para mapalapit sa'yo at may gawing kalokohan. Siguro sila yung tipong tao na nagpapanggap na fans mo, honestly speaking, and they're actually saying good things about you, pero behind the scenes, they are your enemies. So, continuous nyo lang na wag kayo magpapasok ng kusino man sa inyong buhay, especially if you don't really know them and they are complete strangers in your life. So, we have the gift. Naku, mag-ingat kayo dito guys. Maybe some of them, they're even planning to offer you something. Pero based sa inyong reading at saka sa vibe na rin, na sense ko na sila yung tipong tao na nagka-curse. Okay? Or maybe may inuutusan sila na mag-curse sa'yo. At delikado talaga kung may ibibigay sila sa'yo kasi baka may curse yan kung ano man ang ibibigay sa'yo. So, mag-ingat kayo. So, you have this one. So, there could be something that's going on with your life. I feel like this is with regards sa inyong career at maybe gusto nilang sirain yan or gusto nila malaman kung ano nangyari sa inyong buhay so that they will be able to do bad things with regards to it. At mag-ingat kayo kasi target din nila ay ang iyong relationship. Gusto nila actually masira yung connection or gusto nila magkaroon ng third party situation with regards sa iyong love life, which is sad. So, use is an easier way for some of you. Baka ginagamit kayo ng taong ito before. So, until now, they're definitely a user. So, umiwas kayo sa kanila. Naka-in easier way siya kasi maybe, in some cases, some of you, this is not a user with regards to you. But yet, in some cases, some stories can be na ginamit kanila. So, mapapayo ko guys na iwasan nyo siya. And remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? Anyway, let's see what else. Siguro na-feel ko strongly yung word na naguguluhan. Maybe on that time na naging parte sila ng iyong buhay, they made you really feel confused. Tinarget talaga nila yung iyong mind dahil yan sa mga curses na ilalagay nila sa inyo kaya hindi ka makapag-isip at naapektuhan na rin yung pag-shopping mo online, nabibili mo yung mga bagay na hindi dapat bilhin, which is sad. Okay, so mind as well na umiwas ka na sa mga taong nagka-curse. I feel like whomever they are, they do have an evil spirit within. I'm sensing the word backstabber. So they're definitely backstabbers. They could be pretending to be good, but yet they are not really good. Okay, yun nga napansin ko, umiwas ka na sa kanila. Kasi baka napansin mo yun, na hindi sila mabuting tao or it's hard for you to trust again dahil sa mga napagdaanan mo. So, whenever they are, their intention is not really good. They're definitely heartless. As you can see, if ever they are offering something, it's not out of love. It could be something that is cursed. Yung offer nila sa'yo na gift. You also have this one. And ito kasi nangyari sa iyong buhay, maybe as of now, you're definitely abundant or you do have a stable life as you can see here and you're concentrating with regards to it. So, we also have the Hierophant in reverse. I have a feeling na I feel nakabaligtaran mo sila kasi I feel they are definitely somebody who's doing nasty things. Okay, I feel na sila siguro yung nag-cause sa iyong downfall in the past, and that's the reason why ito yung nangyari na lumayo ka sa kanila. Yun yung na-feel ko, to be honest. And anyway, ito yung intention nilang gawin, na gusto nilang maging spy para malaman nila kung ano yung nangyari sa iyong buhay. Parang gusto ko nilang i-stop to go after what you want to go after. Kasi with the cards of full card is more on, going after what you desire. Pero may nakita tayo dito na parang gusto nilang i-stop ka on, pursuing something. Kaya gusto nilang malaman kung ano nangyari sa iyong buhay. Kasi as of now, you are introvert and you're not talking to anyone. And I think that you did the right thing. Kasi you are aware na may mga ahas. So, anyway, hugs to every one of you. And I feel yung vibe mo with regards to them, parang naiinis ka sa kanila or parang hirap ka na magtiwala. Maybe whomever they are, they have hurt you in the past. Feeling ko talaga nagpanggap sila na fans mo, pero behind the scenes, they are cursing you. Hugs to everyone. So, mind as well yung mapapayo ko, patuloy yung pag-iwas mo sa kanila. At wag kang basta magpapasok ng tao, and be mindful na rin sa red flags. Okay? So, anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. So, anyway, gusto nila mag-reach out para guluhin yung iyong buhay and yung summary. Hugs every one of you, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng nurture card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang dahilan kung bakit gusto nilang mag-reach out sa'yo. I feel like you should avoid posting about it, is what I sense. I'm sensing that you're someone who's definitely special in their life, which is nice. I don't know why, pero na-sense ko yung iba sa inyo. This is with regards sa animals. Maybe you're asking about stray animals like stray cats or stray dogs. And you wonder why they are approaching you. Or maybe wala kang katanungan, pero you are kinda like wondering kung bakit ka ina-approach sa mga animals. Okay? Yun na nafe-feel kong vibe dito. Ayusin lang natin yung camera. So, anyway, let's see what else. I-clarify natin yung cards. I feel like you find it strange. Kasi you are a complete stranger to them, and yet they approach you. I feel like this is with regards to people that are poor and they want your help, is also what I sense. Okay, I feel like you are naturally good. Na-feel ko rin, guys, yung pagka-block ng throat. Kasi maybe you shouldn't tell anyone about this, honestly speaking. Baka kung tumulong ka, ilihim mo na lang. Yun yung nafe-feel ko vibe. Anyway, we have this one. So, actually, maganda yung iyong vibe. And I feel this is with regards to animals that are approaching you. They're the ones that's aware about your vibe that you give. Kasi malakas yung kanilang pakiramdam sa tao. Alam nila kung mabuti or masama yung nafe-feel ko. But I feel this is more likely with regards if ever lapitin ka ng animals. Okay? We also have this one. So, baka nagtataka ka kung bakit ka pinili. Kung sino man yun. Because you're somebody who are definitely helpful, kind, as you can see. So, kaya nilalapitan ka nila kasi they want you to feed them or they want you to help them. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so kung sino man itong tao na to or can be an animal, they want to help you in the future. Or, I feel na kung sino man sila, parang marunong silang parang, what they call this, parang magpasalamat or to give in return is what I sense. And if you're wondering if this is destined, yes, it is. We have this destined. Maybe some of you are asking about mismo yung inyong animal, yung inyong pet, can be, na-stray before or natagpuan mo lang. They chose you, honestly, and it's really destined that you have them in your life. So, anyway, kung sino man, I feel this is more about the stray cat or stray dog, can be. Actually, kung sino man sila, they are afraid. Afraid ng mga tao na, or mga animals na umaatake sa kanila, and they do want a home to feel safe. At nalulungkot sila kasi no one adopted them, as you can see. At yun nga, yung vibe mo maganda. Honestly. You could be somebody who do have a homey feeling or homey yung iyong vibe that they feel at home with you. Or you're someone who can have a potential to take good care of them. Honestly. I feel na mabait ka. Kasi mabait ka. Yun yung dahilan nila. But, they want to reach out or kung bakit ka nila pinili. Kung sino man yung sigurong animal na lumapit sa inyo, malakas yung kanyang pakiramdam with regards sa malalaman niya kung mabuti yung tao or hindi. So, we have this one. So, wow, you have that abundance and potential talaga to help, honestly speaking. And I feel like the reason why they approach you, kasi they see you as somebody that is a blessing, or yung magbibigay ng tulong sa kanila, pagkain, or kung ano man. And, naging okay yung buhay nila with regards to you. So, tulad ng nabanggit ko, meron silang bad experience with other people. And they didn't experience that with you. Maybe, whomever they are, some of them, they are definitely strays. And maybe on the past, they could be kind of like aggressive or kailangan mo pa silang i-tame to gain trust. Pero I have a feeling that they finally trusted you. So you can see here. At parang ayaw nilang pumili ng ibang tao kasi they are afraid na kung pumili sila ng iba, baka yung tao na yun ay masama. Mas gusto sana nila na mapunta sila sa taong mabuti. We have this one as well. Okay, so ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na if ever you will help, make sure that you're introvert about it. Kasi some of you with this authentic being here, I feel like kung ano man ang pinapost mo, authentic na yun yung nangyayari sa iyong buhay. But you really have to be careful kasi kapag you post about it or tell about it to your friends, loved one, or sa social media, marami kang friends doon at hindi mo alam kung lahat sila mapagkakatiwalaan and so on, mag-ingat ka kasi some of those people, you know, na parang nagpa-follow sa'yo or kakilala mo lang, they could be cursing behind the scenes or they could even put nasty vibe or energy on what you post. So, might as well na kung tumulong ka, ilihim mo na lang. Or pwede rin na mag-scrapbook ka na lang. Or kung may sasabihan ka man, talagang yung trusted mo na tao. Okay, so far kaya ka pinili ng kung sino man ito, kaya siya nag-approach. Siguro with the introvert being here, kung sino man yun, siya ay introvert or hindi siya basta-basta nag-open up kung kanino. And this person or this animal trust you. That's why they approach you. Because they find you authentic. At mapagkakatiwalaan, yun ang nafe-feel ko. If ever this person approach you with regards to secrets, sasabihin niya sa'yo, they trust you because they are aware that you are introvert. At kung it's about secret, make sure na hindi nyo yun sasabihin sa ibang tao. Kasi first of all, whomever this is, they trust you with your secrets. Okay? So anyway, let's see what we have. So ito yung iyong card, nurture. So this really speaks a lot na they approach you, they reach out to you kasi they are aware that you can actually take good care of them, especially if they are animals that felt drawn to you. Meron ka kasi magandang vibe, the loving energy, and they are aware about it. And, you know, mostly, hindi nararamdaman ng tao lang. Madalas, animals, nakaka-sense niyan. So, kung tao man yan, you know, they wanna reach out kasi gusto nilang maramdaman yung iyong pagmamahal. At nagugustuhan ko yung vibe kasi sila yung tipong tao or maybe animal that, you know, they don't take it for granted, you know. Kung mabuti ka sa kanila, gagawa rin sila ng kabutihan sa'yo. And don't be worried kasi destined kayong mag-meet. Okay? Or magkita, kumbaga. Or dahil natulungan mo sila. Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel like you're somebody that's not evil. Talagang maganda yung iyong aura. Okay? So we have just do it here. So, if ever you felt drawn to help these stray animals, and do it, kasi that could be one of your calling, honestly. We have the poor in reverse, so they definitely feel like they are rich whenever you are around, kasi they see you as a blessing. That's also what I sense with regards to this one. You will help them recover. With regards to finances, if ever they are someone na in need of help. Okay? Pero don't worry kasi hindi naman sila kuha ng kuha sa'yo kasi nakita naman natin dito that they are somebody who's helpful as well. Parang tutulungan ka nila kapalit ng mabuting ginawa mo sa kanila. So, you also have the easy in either way. So, wherever they are, they do have an easy life, honestly. And they feel like their life is easy when you are around. Honestly, I feel na for some of them, naiiyak sila when they encounter you kasi para sa kanila bihira sila makita ng mabuting tao kasi based sa iyong reading dito pinakita na may mga na-encounter sila na tao sa kanilang buhay na hindi mabuti or parang bang naiinis whenever they are around, as you can see, and they really feel lonely and sad about it, and to meet to you actually gave them hope. Bring them joy and happiness as well. This is actually sad that they don't feel loved by others. Na-neglect sila. I feel this is with regards sa mga stray animals. They're looking for love. They're looking for an owner who will keep them. Honestly, we also have our gateway in either way. I'm also sensing this is again with regards to stray animals na parang gusto nila sana na magkaroon ng sariling pamamahay or something to stay on. Parang ayaw na nila na lipat-lipat sila ng lugar or hanap sila ng owner nila. I feel na kasi mabait ka, yun yung nafe-feel ko. Parang yun yung main na dahilan nila kung bakit sila nag-reach out sa'yo. So, with the moon in either way, so this is with regards to something that you cannot see or what people cannot see. Okay, kasi syempre hindi naman lahat ng tao nakakita ng aura. May mga tao kasi nakakita, diba? Or nakakaramdam. So, kung sino man yan, yung I feel this is with regards to this animal na they can see what we cannot see. They can see the vibe or the aura of a person, honestly. So, it has been revealed to them that you are a good person. So, you have the test in reverse. Actually, this is one of your tests. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, destined na makita kayo. Honestly. Kasi test ito if ever you will help them or not. Parang test sa'yo ng Panginoon. And I'm not quite sure guys if you pass the test or not. So, yun nga, may napagdaanan ko sino man ito na hindi maganda kasi I feel na parang, iba siguro sa inyo nangyari dito is parang may humadlang ba ng inyong pagtulong. Yun ang nafe-feel kong vibe when I hold this one. Kasi I have a feeling this is with regards to, let's say, spiritual attacks that you have been attacked para tumigil kang tumulong. So, be careful about it. At saka ito rin yung dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo mag-introvert sa pagtulong kasi there could be a potential na may gawin silang masama doon sa tinulungan mo. If ever you post about it. So, mind as well, be cautious na rin and remind yourself na hindi lahat ng tao ay mapagkakatiwalaan. May mga tao na nagpapanggap na mabuti but at behind the scenes they curse. Okay, or they put negativity, negative energy of jealousy or so forth, hatred and so on. So, ayaw mo mangyari na kung sino man ang tinulungan mo, maapektuhan ng negativity ng ibang tao. Okay? So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, I hope that you passed the test, that you need to help whomever this is who approached you. Siguro ito rin yung gusto mo sanang malaman kung bakit ka lapitin ng stray animals. Okay, na-sense ko na may gusto silang sabihin sa'yo. I'm sensing na wala kang evil vibe, honestly speaking, or you don't have any bad intention. This is actually good. I feel like if ever you post about it, i-delete nyo na lang or gawin nyo na lang private kasi na-feel ko talaga na parang may negativity na kapag na-post nyo. So, might as well alisin nyo yung na-post nyo about it, okay? Kasi kung sino man ito, baka ma-atake sila ng mga masasamang tao. So, anyway, I feel like ito yung view nila with regards to you, that you bring joy and happiness to their life. You do have a good vibe with the sun. I feel like it's more on a happy vibe that you have kasi yung sun card representation din yun ng happiness. Okay, so you can see, happy, okay? So that's why they reach out to you, because of your vibe, honestly. And nag-alis ka ng burden nila. If ever they are a stray animal, maybe they feel hungry and you help them to remove that hunger by you giving something to them. Wow, I feel na pinili ka ng Panginoon na gawin ito kasi, or to help these people that are in need, or maybe stray animals, kasi meron ka naman potential na tumulong. Kasi you do have that wealth or blessing, as you can see, and that's why you will be able to provide for whomever that is, okay? So I hope that you pass the test. Honestly, okay? So, yun yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na may mga evil spirits sa parang pumipigil sa'yo na gawin kung ano yung destined mong gawin. So, if ever you're looking for a sign, you're wondering kung ba't kalapitin ng animal, so forth, hindi mo naintindihan, or baka lapitin ka ng mga tao na kailangan ng tulong kasi it's really destined for you to help. It's your fate. Honestly speaking. Okay, so you do have a good vibe. Like, you are wise. I feel like you're definitely a good person. And yun nga, ito rin yung sign actually ng pagiging introvert. So make sure you're introvert on helping, I feel like on helping animals especially. Para wag may pagkalat, okay? Kasi nga may pumipigil na magaganda mong ginagawa. So far. So, anyway, kaya kayo na-approach ng kung sino man ito kasi nakita ka niya na, you know, you are balanced or parang binibigyan mo siya ng sense of relief is what I sense. Parang nakakahimbing siya nakatulog siya ng mahimbing. I feel this, whomever they are, they remember your good deed to them. Honestly, parang treasure nila yung mga memories that they have with you. And they feel balanced with you. Honestly, if ever kung sino man itong stray animal, if ever you manage to let them stay in your house, inalagaan mo sila, they feel safe with you. And they're definitely grateful, lalo na kung binigyan mo sila ng place to stay in. Okay? So, anyway, congratulations if you managed to pass the test. If ever you're not yet there, na tumulong ka with regards to them, then this is your sign that you should help them. Okay? Anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness. And God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng autumn card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit gusto mag-reach out ng inyong tao. I'm sensing na pag-utusan. At na-sense ko rin ay nagsisinungaling. So, they're connected with regards to you on some point in your life. Pero I'm sensing na iniiwasan mo sila or dapat mo silang iwasan. Kasi kung sino man ang gumagamit sa kanila or nag-utos na mag-reach out sa'yo, I don't feel that that person is good. So, you really have to be careful. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I'm sensing ahas. Pero na-feel ko na meron ka naman magandang intensyon. I feel like for some of you, this is with regards sa, I feel like anak. Mag-ingat kayo guys kasi iba sa kanila baka ginagamit nila yung iyong anak para mapalapit sa'yo. Be careful about it. Okay, so ito pa lang may sign na. Okay, they could be pretending na connected pa rin sila sa'yo. You know, mahal ka nila. They could be pretending kasi we have the mask here. So, yung intention nila or ba't gusto nila mag-reach out kasi gusto pa rin nila maging connected sa'yo. As you can see. At gusto nila makibanding sa'yo. Ito rin yung kanilang dahilan kaya kanila minamanifest. As you can see. But yet, this is more on your energy that you are tired or ayaw mo na sa kanila. Parang you rather, not interested. Ito yung nafe-feel mo na vibe. Yung katawan mo, ito yung parang pinapakita sign sa'yo. Actually, yung papayo ko sa'yo, acknowledge mo yung feelings mo. Kasi may dahilan din. Kasi kung ano yung pakiramdam mo about this person, ito ay nag-guide sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Or, kung ano yung pakiramdam mo sa kanya na parang tired ka na, huwag mo na balikan. Yun ang papayo ko. Kung pagod na yung katawan mo, ayaw mo na makipag-deal sa kanya, then be it. Okay? Kasi you are aware na parang may dulot siya na hindi maganda sa iyong buhay. So, bakit kanila gustong mag-reach out? Kasi ba't gusto nila mag-reach out sa'yo? Kasi gusto nilang malaman kung ano nangyayari sa iyong buhay with this open being here. Parang I feel ko na kung sino man itong tao na to, parang silang Pandora box. That once that you open up to this person or malaman niya yung buhay mo, magsisimula na may mangyari sa'yo na hindi maganda. Kasi yung vibe niya parang opposite sa yung vibe, yun yung nafe-feel ko. Okay? So, be careful kasi isa rin sa dahilan ba't gusto niya mag-reach out sa'yo kasi may gusto siyang kunin sa'yo or gusto kanyang nakawin. Baka nakawin ka sa iyong tao kung meron ka mang karelasyon, baka, suyo-suyuin ka, yun pala niya, nakaw ka na sa, hindi kahit ka makipagbalikan sa kanya at iwanan mo yung, kung sino man yung current girlfriend or boyfriend mo, mag-ingat ka. Kasi may potential na impluwensyahan kanya, na bumalik sa kanya. See, third party situation. As you can see. So, ito yung iwasan mong mangyari. Kasi sa pagiging close mo kung sino man ito, baka magdulot yan ng away with regards to you and your current partner kasi magkakaroon ng third party. Honestly speaking. So, anyway, parang ito yung gusto niya mangyari. Siguro kung sino man siya, parang siyang narcissistic. Kasi kanina pa ako nakita ng may sign na parang may pagpe-praise or worship, kumbaga. Kasi nakita ko rin to eh. Nag-ingat ka kasi may potential na baka ginagayuma ka niya, hindi mo alam. Okay? So, anyway, feeling ko kasi parang yung gagawin niya, parang magkakaroon ng flowery words or parang pagtatrabahuhan niya na lumapit ka sa kanya, yun yung nafe-feel ko. So, I think yung kanyang intention dito kasi na-feel ko yung pagka-third party, okay? Parang siyang giging Trojan horse or magkakaroon ng problem kung talagang pinapasok mo itong taon na to. Kasi with regards sa autumn, diba taglagas yan? I feel this is more likely yung kanilang intention ay magkaroon ng third party situation. At syempre kung magkakaroon ng third party, baka mangyari niyan ay mawala yung kung sino man yung kasama mo sa ngayon. Dahil sa mangyaring away, about sa situation na you are connected with this whomever past person is. So, make sure na lumayo kayo sa tukso. Yan yung mapapayo ko sa inyo. So, anyway, let's see what else. So, we have the no in either way. So, there could be a potential na you will say yes to whomever this is. Baka papasukin mo siya sa iyong buhay. Mag-ingat talaga kayo at baka yan na mag-cause ang inyong downfall with regards sa other connection. See, with a fight in either way. So, there could be a potential for fighting with regards to the third-party situation. We also have the truth in either way. Mag-ingat ka rin sa taong ito kasi hindi siya nagsasabi ng katotohanan sa'yo. We also have the loss. So, yun nga, baka mawala si lover mo sa ngayon. Kung magkaroon ng third-party situation, we have the give in reverse, forgive in reverse. We also have the force. So, you have a lot of force. Kasi yung force about stability. So, may potential na mawala yung stability mo with regards to your current lover. Kasi magkakaroon ng conflict if pinili mo na i-entertain kung sino man itong gusto mag-reach out sa'yo. We also have the bless in reverse. We also have this one. So, yan nga. Gusto kanyang agawin, paalis sa iyong tao. Kaya mag-ingat ka, huwag ka ma-impluwensyahan sana ng kung sino man ito. I feel na wag mo na dapat i-entertain kung sino man siya. Kasi nga may third party situation. See, mawawala yung maganda mong relationship kung entertain mo ito. Kasi, yun nga, baka mawalan ka ng ganas sa inyong kakonnection sa ngayon kasi makakaroon ka ng focus sa ibang tao and it will be a burden to you kasi you have to choose whom you will offer love for. So, you have the Wheel of Fortune pero ito dapat yung i-acknowledge mo kasi sa ngayon, maganda yung meron ka sa iyong buhay ngayon, balance si love life, balance din si work. Okay? So, wag mo na itong baguhin sana. Wag ka na mag-entertain pa ng ibang tao. Honestly. And you do have to be, somebody who will say no rather than always say yes. And you have to defend your connection. Maybe it's kind of like a test for you. If ever you will choose this person or you will choose, your lover as of now. So anyway, at least you're aware kung ano man yung dahilan ba't siya mag-reach out kasi nakita ko dito sa inyong reading, mag-reach out siya to destroy a connection. At hindi mo alam kung mag-i-stay ba siya kung sakaling piliin mo siya. Kasi naalala ko, meron akong kakilalang deceitful na tao na may ligmang agaw na jowa na may jowa pero iniiwan niya sa huli, nantitrip lang. So, wag sana kayo mabiktima ng ganun tao kasi kung nasa matinong pag-iisip ko sino man ito, hindi niya kakambalain yung relationship mo with your partner. Yun ang masasabi ko. Red flag na agawin ka niya sa taong mahal mo. So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness. And God bless you.